SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, also known as SPJIMR, was set up by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in the year 1982 and is a top 10 B school in India. SPJIMR has uniquely architectured Family Managed Business Program (FMB), pioneered the Start Your Business program for entrepreneurs and has developed the ecosystem of mentors, entrepreneurs and experts, designed the Grow Your Business program for growth stage entrepreneurs.
Challenges faced by entrepreneurs who are successful on a small scale, but when they try to scale up their operations, they need to build organization inside the company. Outside the company, they need to contact more customers, build networks, and then do things systematically according to a plan. Whereas I find that many entrepreneurs are so busy in doing day-to-day operations, they really don't have time to do any of this. So this program that we have, GYB, it really helps them to overcome these challenges.
Business can be easily associated with phrases like no time, market competition, customer acquisition, employee retention and cash flow. These can be easily taken care of if handled professionally.
The Grow Your Business program equips them with the knowledge, skills and learning attitude for sustained growth. We do this by first getting them to develop a business vision, getting them to understand how to look at opportunities that maximizes growth, and then equipping them with the general management and functional management skills required to execute the vision. We also help them learn to develop marketing and sales strategies for acquiring and retaining profitable customers, how to manage and source funding for expansion, how to develop an HR policy that facilitates business expansion, and of course get to understand the basics of an MIS that will help them monitor the revenues, expenses and outcomes so essential to manage growth. The faculty that we deploy for this program are those who are a team of them who are thoroughly familiar with the challenges faced by SMEs.
SPJIMR conducts Grow Your Business programs with participants running varied businesses. A key takeaway for them has been developing their growth plan for the next 3 to 5 years.
The best part about joining this course is, I never knew there were so many aspects of business, because from what I was always put in, I always knew, okay, there is someone to take care of the finance, for example. I was always looking at the production side and the administration side. But after joining GYB, I have understood one point, that each and every section of your business is important to look at.
I have done this GYB course for the reason that we really wanted to grow our business, and I wanted to know some management course to give me the insight how to manage your business when it is growing. And this course has really given me a lot of values as far as the reading of balance sheet is concerned, strengthening of your balancing is concerned, and then how to do your marketing. Basically, I was not keen in marketing on multimedia or digital marketing, but then which I have learned in this course.
The Grow Your Business course at SP Jain has been a fantastic experience for me. I'm an early stage entrepreneur as well, and over the last 8 weekends, we've had multiple modules from HR, finance, marketing, branding, online operations. It's really given me a good perspective on what I need to do in my own business, and allowed me to understand the various aspects of running a business.
I joined this course basically to understand the whole gamut of business, and coming here, yeah, definitely there was a lot of difference in my thinking, my process, the way the businesses are executed, the kind of understanding that we need of finance. It has really enlightened me, and it has made me understand the whole gamut of business here.
I recommended each and every company who is at the early stage growing area, because it have really helped us to make our vision, to make our growth plan. It have covered each and every minute topics also, and have come up with a very practical solution which we are facing currently with us being a small scale company.
Grow your business program from SPJIMR. Your opportunity to realize profitable growth. Visit our website at gyb.spjimr.org. For more information, contact us at these email IDs.